Welcome back to our channel, the Antonias.
Hi! Where are you, Daddy?
Bye-bye.
Check out na.
Bye-bye, Pine Sweets.
We're heading to pasalubong. Bilihan ng pasalubong.
Yeah, before we go to
Sky Ranch.
Mother.
What's Ate Coach doing?
Hey!
Hi, kanina.
Here, Nika. We're going down na. We're here at Carmelas. Gonna buy pasalubong. Nika, hold mommy.
ube buko pie tsaka banana bread.
Let's go inside. Naku, Ana. Tignan mo yung pinuntahan ni Anini. Chucky lang. Tignan mo naman to, Chucky lang. Ito, buko tart. Dark chocolate walnut.
How much is dark chocolate?
Oh, daddy, yun yung tsura.
Ganda, no?
Parang ang sarap, no? Parang sarap ng pagkakakot niya. May maliit lang, oh.
Ayun, yung chocolate mix.
How much siya ganito niya? Yung maliit?
175 po.
175. Yung bigger? 100 lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Kunin ko na. Daddy, pwedeng kunin ko na to.
Okay.
Pili tayong crinkles. Hi guys, we're lining up to redeem our voucher. It's a ride all you can buy. Are you ready?
Yeah, dyan kami sasakayaw dyan sa taas namin.
We're here pala at Sky Ranch Tagaytay.
Doon kami sasakayaw.
Yan yung first ride. Yan yung malapit eh.
Tapos iba yung sasakay doon sa Ferris wheel, the small Ferris wheel.
Oo nga, meron nga pang kids there.
Ayun no, yung pataas tas bababa.
Ayoko niyan, ikaw na lang.
Hindi, sumama ka.
Ayoko niyan.
Sumama ka. Ay, sit ito na lang sasama.
Okay na lang.
Ay, no, pataas. Bye, see you later.
Meanwhile, hi guys.
We're riding the trip.
Yay! Yay! It's moving na, Nika. Nika, say hi here, Nika.
Ito lang naman kitang video ko pala. Ano?
Wala.
Ride ka, Mama Yol?
Ay, tatlo? Paano to? May maganda lang.
Ganda!
You know, Rika, you know, no?
A few moments later.
Are you ready, Ate Kulot? Are you ready?
Ready! check.
Outfit check.
Pares, pati yung kulay ng pants nila eh.
Classmate kayo, classmate?
Hindi!
Pwede na yan, ate kulot. Ganyan. Nice one, ate kulot. Nice one!
Chill lang! Dati isa pa! Dati hindi daw nasisip.
Ayun na, oh.
Ayun na, look, last na yan! Ano na tayo? Babalik na tayo! Basta, meron pang isa! Ay, ito pa ba?
Mika, what's that? What are you holding?
Acorn!
Wow, so many!
I am inside! Let's play bubbles! Bubble, bubble, pop! What more? I want the duck, Mommy! The duck was swimming! The duck that is swimming! Duck! Duck! I want to hold it.
Okay, good luck, baby girl!
Choose one. This one?
Yes.
Oh, this one. Oh, one more. Where? What one? This one?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give it to them.
Pagiging mo siya. Ano ba? Ito po. Hat. Rabbit or yung pink po?
You want?
This
What do you want?
Hat, pink, or the blue one? Pink.
The pink daw po.
Look, Nick. Congratulations! We have a winner!
High five!
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Let's go.
Let's go right. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Show your your bracelet. What's your bracelet?
Hiding.
It's
You're hiding.
It's hiding. Let's go. Yay! Go, go. Sit. Where's Daddy?
Daddy! Did you get my milk?
Nika, come here, come here, come here. Nika, sit down.
Yes. I am. Easy. Mommy, why you were pretending?
Nika, sit down, sit down.
Mama.
Hold it.
Daddy, why are you there? Ramdo! It's so amazing. Daddy, it's so fun.
It's so fun. Parang pambata, pero tapos na.
Daddy, it's done! Oh! Daddy!
Meanwhile,
Yay!
Ano ba yan? Huwag ka na kayo sumakay. Dito ka hawak, hindi sa akin, mamaya. Ay, ayaw na. Tingnan mo yung tsura. Ayaw mo lang. Sorry, ayaw mo lang.
Uy! Uy! Bilis!
Ba yan? Ganyan mo, ano?
Picture! Woohoo!
Up in the sky.
Ay, Tito!
Parang Viking story.
Uy, Lot! Si Panini ang kulit! Nico, we're getting up!
Up and away.
Going up na! Ah? Dito maganda yung view dito kayo. We're so high, Daddy!
Yeah.
Why was that?
No, we're not stuck.
We're moving, anak. Nika, don't move naman. Maganda sana kung meron ditong ano, no? May fireworks, tas nakaganto ka. Si Kulot yan, di na gumagalaw, Daddy.
Ako nung una, ganyan. Hindi ako gumagalaw.
McDo! There's the McDo. Let's eat there later. Ganito, ayan, para may ilaw.
Woohoo! Hi, Ate Kulot! Up in the sky! We're so high! Hindi kami so high.
Say hi to the camera.
Here!
Hi, Nika, Nika! Hi! Here!
Hi, Daddy!
Hey!
Kailan bihina ako?
Bakit?
Ilang ikot to?
Dito ako makamahan.
Ilang ikot to? Isa lang?
Isa lang to.
Uy, bakit gumugulo?
Siyempre,
Ayun nga, tingnan mo nga, yun oh! Nasa yun natin naman sinusundan natin.
Hello, ito, Ate Kulot.
Ma!
Hindi ka load swinging! Hindi, nag-move lang kasi ata.
Yeah,
We're on the top
moving
na!
Up here now.
Wow, we're up here now, see? Oh.
Just see the city lights and then don't...
Say hi.
Don't say-
Happy
don't-
New Year!
Happy New Year!
Ika, say Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
How was it?
God!
Sobrang ganda, Daddy. Sobrang ganda. Parang ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapanood ng fireworks. Ang ganda.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nakatapos na namin sa Sky Ranch and nasa McDo kami. Hi!
Mga nagutom.
Saan tayo, Mami Nek? Di
Bibili
pa
pa
kami
tayo
uuwi.
yan, di ba?
Maabutan tayo
Ano, uwi na? Maaga pa.
Maaga pa. Wala pa alas 12 eh. no?
Kuklose nga tayo ng mall. Hanap pa tayo mga
Nag-record
bilihan
na
ng
ba?
pasalubong. Kanina pa. Pasalubong naman kami. Going home. Nasa expressway na kami. Skyway na. Skyway pala. Tulog na yung mga kasama namin sa likod. Had so much fun sa aming mini vacation sa Tagaytay. Samahan niyo ulit kami next year sa aming mga vlog.